Xiaomi has made the 64 megapixel phone known as Redmi Note 8 Pro, and it will soon be available in India. It is launched and it is selling out in China. It will soon be available in India then in other countries, and it is coming in India. 64 megapixels. So let's talk about it. Does it really work? Yes, absolutely. The previous version, the Redmi Note 7, they have given 48 megapixel and it actually works. Yes, and they have told that one limitation is there, that the storage will fill up immediately if you click with 48 megapixels of picture. I'm talking about the previous version, so the phone will fill up. So what should you do? So they have given an option to like go back and you can use 12 megapixel. So if you want to not use that camera extremely, so they have also given this feature in this Redmi Note 8 Pro. So what you should do is, so if you're not taking pictures from the 64 megapixel, what you should do, so you can swap between 16 megapixel. You can bring 16 megapixel of camera except from 64 megapixel of camera. So you can like swap between them, and yeah, that's, you can do that. And 64 megapixel camera really works. It really does work, and it will give you a DSLR like quality as they have shown you last year what they will give you, and you can like make a big picture of it. Last year they have shown it, and they have come up with and rebuild it and made a new phone with 64 megapixel of camera, which is really great. And I like that they are like bringing new things, and it is in the mid-range option. So yeah, we will soon be getting a look of it in India. I think in mid of September it will be there, like in 15 September to 20 September the sale will be there of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. I will be updating you on my Instagram account, so follow me there. So now let's talk about details about the specs and taking a look at the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So here we go. So the specs are: the Redmi Note 8 Pro will be having 6.5 inches of screen. After that it will be having 4500 mAh of battery. Battery is good, not good enough, because they can also give 5000 mAh of battery. I'm not complaining because this device is in mid-range, so you have to face some limitations in it. So you also get an processor of MediaTek G903T. Yes, I think that's the processor. You can see on your screen which of the processors is. I don't remember that, but it's MediaTek processor. So you will be thinking that this is the MediaTek processor. This will be having limitations, the battery and all that stuff. No, this is specially made for the gaming stuff, and this is really great for gaming and stuff like that. So MediaTek is also coming with their best processor in this game. So this is the business, you have to come up with the best things, and we know what's best for us. Yes, so they have come up with this, and this is really great processor comparing to the 665 Snapdragon 665 processor which is given in the Note 8. And yeah, the Note 8 is not similar to the Note 8 Pro, so they are both different devices and different processor, and everything is different. So yeah, so if you are upgrading, my choice is that, and I suggest you to upgrade to the Note 8 Pro. Don't upgrade to Note 8 because everything is almost same, and you won't feel like upgrading. After you have upgrade also, you don't see any changes or anything like that in the Note 8. So if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to Note 8 Pro, or else don't upgrade. Just wait for other devices to come Redmi will launch more devices, you know. They will bring lots of devices in 1 month, as I have seen the previous years. And yeah, so the Android version it will be running on is 9.0 Pi, and yeah, so it will be having triple camera on the back. The first camera will be of 64 megapixel and the second one is of 8 megapixel. The third one is of 2 megapixels. Yeah, these are the cameras that are shown, and they have like given us the idea of what the camera megapixel will look like. Yeah, so coming to the front, it is having 20 megapixel of front facing camera. The cameras is really great of this device. If you need a camera centric phone and if you are a camera lover, you want more to your pics and want really good pictures, this is the best device. Or if you want to take videos also, this is great device. So yeah, you should buy the Note 8 Pro. So yeah, let's talk about the Note 8 and then I will give you the prices. What are the prices of these devices, both of the devices? So here we go. So the Redmi Note 8 is having 6.3 inches of screen. It's 2 centimeters lower. Yeah, it's having 6.3 inches of screen. After that it is on 1080p pixel screens, and after that it is having battery of 4000 mAh of battery, and yeah, it's good. It will give you a day longer, but it's lesser than the Note 8 Pro. And after that it will be having Snapdragon 655, not having the MediaTek processor, which is meant for gaming. Yeah, this is these are the limitations which are having in Note 8, but on and on it is having camera on the back is 48 megapixel of camera, not 64 megapixels of camera on the back of the phone. It is having 48 megapixel of camera only. In the front side of the phone, it is having, I think, about 13 megapixel of camera on the front side of the phone. The cameras are also good, but not better than Note 8 Pro or even comparable to the Note 8 Pro. So yeah, let's come out to these prices. So the lowest version, I think this is the prices of the lowest version. They haven't confirmed it yet, but as they are showing the prices, it meant to be for the lowest version. Like for Note 8 it will be of 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So it will be about, in dollars, it will be about $140. In Indian rupees it will be around 10 to 11,000 rupees. And yeah, that's the Note 8 price. Let's come out to the Note 8 Pro price. So in dollars it will be of $190, and in Indian rupees it will be around 14,000 to 16,000 rupees, around that. Yeah, so these are the prices, and that's pretty much it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're not a part of the Hightech, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification right next to the subscribe button. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I am recommending you the Note 8 Pro because it's having more features and it is better than the Note 8, and it's like, yeah, if you want to upgrade, you should buy Note 8 Pro. If you like, don't need to buy Note 8 because it doesn't have that much of feature to upgrade. Yeah, so that's my recommendation, and your choices are your choices. You have to decide if you want to buy or not. And that's pretty much it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out.